Welcome back. Restaurant and bar owners at Vasco held a day-long bandh on Tuesday. Owners have demanded closing down illegal kiosks and eateries operating in Vasco area. President of the association, Chandrasekhar Vast, alleged that some councillors and officials of Mormugao municipality are hand in glove with these eatery owners. They have asked the chief officer to initiate corrective action or else face consequences.
म्हणून सेवक आमी काल 29 ही डेडलायन दिल्ली. कितें तें आमकां फायनल कितें सांग, गाडे काडटा काय ना, आनी जितके बेलपुरी भाजी पाव जेंकां लायसनच ना, काही मुन्सिपाल्टीचे ऑफिसर्स आनी काही कावन्सिलर हेंचे कडल्यान कितें तरी म्हयन्याचे ठरलेले आसा. म्हणून हे गाडे आयज त्या जागे आसा. टोटल 40-50 तरी गाडे आसा आख्ख्या वास्कोन भितर.
Association claims that there are about 40 to 50 eateries operating illegally in the city.
आयज आमकां मायनींग बंद जाल्ल्या खातीरूय आमकां इफेक्ट जाल्लो आसा आनी प्लस ह्या गाड्यांकारांचो आमकां आनी तेजो डबल आमकां इफेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. म्हणून त्या खातीर आमी हे बंद हे कॉल केल्लें, कारण येवन कितें तरी एक्शन घेवचें म्हणून. आनी जर अशें जर चालू जायत जाल्यार आमी फुडलो स्टेप कितें तरी घेतले.
The bandh received 75% response from the city bars and restaurants as most of the restaurants remain closed. However, some preferred to stay apart from the bandh. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Dempo Sports Club are facing the ill effects of the grueling ISL campaign as some of their important domestic players have suffered injuries playing for FC Goa. Influential left back Narayan Das is out for the season, while the injured right back Debabrata Roy will miss the Federation Cup. Despite their problems, Dempo beat East Bengal by a solitary goal on Monday night. Dempo coach Arthur Papas is happy with the performance.
The historic Federation Cup is in its 37th year. While the inaugural ISL drew huge crowds, spectators are staying away from the Hero Federation Cup, which is a prestigious competition for top clubs from India. There is, however, no shortage of effort from the players. Dempo Sports Club coach Arthur Papas is happy to get off to a winning start despite injury problems.
We play different system to last year. We changed our formation because of the players available. We have season-ending injury for Narayan Das. We have Pranoy Halder out for the whole season. We have Debabrata who can't play in this tournament because of injury. We miss Peter Carvalho. We play 2 foreigners. So the plan today was, we know we're very strong through Ranti and Dudu. So we play, instead of 2 in the middle, we play with 3 in the middle. And we make sure that we always have an extra man in the middle of defence.
East Bengal coach Armand Kulas, who was formerly the highly successful coach of Dempo, is happy with the effort of his team.
You see, the boys tried, it's not they didn't try. In the second half especially, first half okay, but in the second half especially they tried. So many corners, so many throw-ins. Well, I'm happy. See, the problem right from the beginning, I've been saying the second ball. We are not winning the second ball.
Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.